Like it, just be like, no!
It's recording. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go. Come on, kitties.
Go homie.
Oh god. Oh god, hold on, wait a minute. Hi! Hi, Ryan. Hello! Look at the doggy. Right. Like, that's not go there yet.
Si, senor!
You're in a different language Jill does not understand. Oh, like, let's go. We're holding, let me see the sign. Honk if you're horny. We have to go towards the street more.
Should I put the rainbow one?
Yeah, put the rainbow on first. It's a rainbow. Right. Come on, people.
We got one so far!
I think you're gay.
He's like, Honk.
He's like, aha.
Damn it, where are the cars? It's snowing. My camera's gonna die. Where are all the damn cars?
Come on, God!
Here comes one.
Should I do horny or
Just rainbows for a second.
Do the gangster thing.
This is rainbows. Come on. Come on. Oh, you suck!
Come on, man, home.
These people, alright, these people are so unparticipative.
This is the Superman.
You're like, okay, here's another car. Come on, you know you want to honk. Wait for it. Come on! You suck!
There's another!
Hold it up! Come on! I hate you!
Is the horny one?
Yeah. This one's going kind of slow. I'm scared.
They want me.
Come on. Let's just be a cop. Let's just be a cop. Alright, none of them are looking. Switch to rainbows.
Rainbows?
People seem... There was only one honk! That's gay.
Just be like...
Flip him out at the last second.
You hold one.
Yeah, you hold one.
What do you do? I'll be like, ah!
You're tatted.
I know.
Okay, here comes the car. Alright.
Mine's better.
Come on. You guys suck! You suck! Okay. Just hold it up, damn it.
It's like your mom.
I'd hate to see if there's like any cops or something.
Like, what the fuck?
Rainbow.
Rainbow!
Thank
There's like 50 that day. That's because it was summer.
you! Yeah, and there's more cars.
And it's winter and there's not
People
a lot.
are...
Bay Street into this.
I know, right? People are more horny in the summer, apparently.
Yeah. Let's just come over and grunt. Why not now?
Oh, why not now?
This car.
This car, you like this car? Oh my god.
Oh God, come on.
Oh, dude, my battery's dying. This one better honk. It's going like it's slow. It's like a grandma or something. Come on. Come on. She's probably